So hello guys, good morning YouTube and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. So after really long you might be seeing me in this tire because of the lockdown and all. Was not able to ride at all, you can say, but today finally the lockdown has been eased up, so we are finally heading out. So yeah, let's hop on and let's get going. Let's go. It feels so freaking awesome right now. I mean, to be on the roads after nearly 4 to 5 months. Oh boy, what a feeling this is. Just looking for a place for a tea and some breakfast, maybe not exactly breakfast, some biscuits or something, but my bad luck, nothing is open. Nothing. There were 2 shops, the small tea shops packed, but I thought maybe I will stop somewhere on the outskirts, but sadly nothing is open. Hopefully, let's see if we can find something and then we will stop. Okay, so this place, yes, finally. So just stopping for a quick tea and some water, and then we will get going. Nothing much to do, not gonna eat something, just gonna get a cup of tea in a disposable glass and that will be it. So yeah, let's go, let's have some tea and let's get going. एक काम कर, चहा द्या आणि बिस्किट द्या.
बिस्किट ना आपल्याकडे क्रीम रोल
काय
क्रीम रोल
क्रीम रोल द्या मग. So done with the tea. Now let's get going. We will firstly try to head into some mountains. Really amazing view it is right now to be in this area and on some hilltop, especially for the drone shots. Okay, so let's try to get into these mountains firstly, and then we will find a location for some drone shots. I can't breathe without your love. 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 Really mind-blowing. Just look at this. I mean, fuck, this is insane. So beautiful. I feel like just sitting here for hours and hours. Amazing, man, amazing. Really missed this. Really missed this. Really have been missing this all. Oh my god. Just look at that. Just look at that. So damn peaceful this is. Whew. This is heaven for real. I think I will just sit here for a few minutes, maybe half an hour, maybe. Did wanted to fly the drone, but no way I'm flying in this kind of fog. As expected, started drizzling a little, so just flew the drone for like 5 minutes or so. Anyway, we will just get going now, find some another spot for drone shots. I can't breathe without your love. So yeah, it did kind of started raining really heavily, so had to remove the GoPro. Now it has kind of stopped, so putting it back again. And that was Pabe Ghat. Now just heading back home. Probably will find some location for drone shots if possible. If not, then we'll just head back home, and that will be it. This was a short vlog because today we rode after almost like 4 to 5 months. Let's find some place for drone shots. If not, this is it then. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.